What if you could combine the comfort of a five-star hotel, the elegance of a private jet, and the freedom of the open road into one incredible machine? Well, that's exactly what you're looking at today. This stunning Mercedes-Maybach-inspired motorhome isn't just another RV. It's a rolling luxury mansion designed for people who refuse to compromise. And as this tour unfolds, you'll see why this could be one of the most extravagant motorhomes ever imagined. From the very first glance, this vehicle commands attention. The sleek bodywork, premium metallic finish, and unmistakable Mercedes-inspired front fascia immediately separate it from ordinary recreational vehicles. Every angle feels carefully sculpted to create a sense of prestige and sophistication. As the motorhome cruises through breathtaking landscapes, it's easy to appreciate the balance between luxury and presence. The long, elegant profile gives it the appearance of an executive limousine stretched into a luxury touring machine. Whether parked beside a beach, winding through mountain roads, or arriving in the heart of a city, this motorhome looks like it belongs in a completely different class. But the real magic begins once we step inside. The moment those doors open, we're greeted by an interior that feels more like a private lounge than a vehicle. Rich wood finishes, soft ambient lighting, premium materials, and meticulous craftsmanship create an atmosphere of pure exclusivity. Take a look at the executive seating. These aren't ordinary seats. They're designed to deliver first-class comfort during every mile of the journey. The plush cushions, premium upholstery, and spacious layout create an environment where passengers can truly relax. Whether you're traveling across the country or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, every moment inside feels special. And notice how much natural light fills the cabin. Massive panoramic windows transform every drive into a scenic experience. Instead of staring at a small window, passengers are surrounded by stunning views, making every destination feel even more memorable. Moving deeper into the cabin, the luxury continues. The lounge area creates the perfect space for socializing, relaxing, or simply enjoying the journey. The design blends modern elegance with practical comfort, creating an atmosphere that feels warm, inviting, and incredibly sophisticated. Then we arrive at one of the most impressive features: the technology. The dashboard is packed with advanced digital displays that give the cockpit a futuristic appearance. Large screens stretch across the front, creating an immersive command center for the driver. Every control appears thoughtfully integrated, combining luxury with cutting-edge innovation. The steering wheel, digital instrumentation, and high-tech interface reinforce the feeling that you're piloting something truly extraordinary. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience. And for those who need to stay productive while traveling, the motorhome offers a dedicated workspace. Imagine responding to emails, attending virtual meetings, or managing your business while surrounded by panoramic mountain views. It's a level of flexibility that traditional travel simply can't match, but luxury travel isn't only about work, it's also about rest, and that's where the bedroom truly shines. As we move into the sleeping quarters, the atmosphere becomes even more tranquil. The spacious bed sits at the center of a beautifully designed room that feels remarkably similar to a luxury hotel suite. Soft lighting, elegant finishes, and carefully planned storage solutions create a relaxing environment designed for extended journeys. After a long day on the road, this is the kind of space where you can truly unwind. The attention to detail extends into the bathroom as well. Modern fixtures, premium materials, illuminated mirrors, and a spacious shower area demonstrate that no compromises were made. Every element feels upscale, polished, and designed to deliver maximum comfort. Even the storage solutions throughout the vehicle reflect thoughtful engineering. Dedicated compartments, organized cabinetry, and luxury luggage storage ensure that long-distance travel remains both practical and comfortable. As the journey continues, we see the motorhome transitioning through a variety of environments. It glides effortlessly through countryside roads, explores desert landscapes, navigates urban streets, and parks beside incredible natural scenery. This versatility is what makes the concept so compelling. You're not tied to airports. You're not limited by hotel reservations. Your luxury suite travels with you. Imagine waking up beside a mountain range one morning, enjoying lunch overlooking the ocean, and spending the evening in a vibrant city, all without leaving the comfort of your own luxury residence. As daylight fades and evening arrives, the motorhome becomes even more captivating. The exterior lighting enhances its premium appearance, while the interior transforms into a warm, inviting sanctuary. Ambient lighting highlights the elegant architecture and creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying a peaceful evening. And perhaps the most impressive scene of all is seeing the outdoor living setup. Comfortable seating, a beautiful lounge area, and an open-air entertainment space extend the luxury beyond the vehicle itself. It creates the feeling of a private resort wherever you decide to stop. This is more than a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. Statement, it's freedom without sacrificing, comfort, it's luxury without limitations, and it's a glimpse into what the future of premium travel could look like. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself exploring the world in a motorhome like this? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more incredible luxury vehicles, groundbreaking concepts, and the most amazing travel machines on the planet, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.